Good morning everyone. Let's see if I can do a quick unboxing for you. Got what arrived in the post today from Robot Shop. It's my linear actuator. So I have already opened the packet and that's what arrives inside it. It's the L16. Take the top off, and that's the fella. Little linear actuator with a Futaba type RC radio control connector on the end of it. So if I quickly stick an old LiPo that I had attached to a speed controller, which includes a BEC, which will reduce the voltage down to 5-6 volts. I'll plug the new actuator into this little tester, like so, and plug the power on. We all see that, and then turn the little dial. And that's it at work. You can see the amount so that's full one way and that's full the other way, so it gives you an idea of the speed of it. But at the end of, as it approaches the setting, it slows down, so small movements are quite smooth. So if I move it to position, as it approaches it, slows down and stops rather than stops jerkily. So that's it. I've no idea if it's brushed or brushless, or if there's any gearing in there and how robust it is, but I'm sure Peter and I can remove the screws, have a look inside and see for ourselves. But it might do just as a little test idea to try on Woodstock. See if we can get some results with that. If the concept's right and there's anything we can learn from it, we could perhaps put together our own version of it with a brushless stepper motor. We might not even need the stepper motor, not sure. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed looking at that. Bye.